What's up, my Lena babes? It's your girl Lena Mariah. If you're new to the channel, welcome back, my Lena babes. How you guys are doing? Y'all see the video title, okay? You see the title, you know it's finna go on, and you see this hair. Like, are you feeling it like I'm feeling it? Y'all, if you are, continue watching this video. But before we get into this hair review, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the family, because we lit over here. So turn the subscribe button from red to gray. That means you have joined the Lena babes. Like this video up, you guys. Show your girl some freaking love. And lastly, click that freaking bell. It'll notify you when I'm posting new freaking videos. Y'all share my videos too, because y'all be want to watch my shit. Share my videos. Tag me. Okay? Tag me. All my goddamn social media links are down below. Tag me. Okay? Because y'all, I'm rocking the Foxy Brown. It's the Foxy Brown for me. So y'all. And furthermore, let's get into this hair review. Alright, ladies, let's get into this hair review. So the hair I am reviewing is called Zen Ran. I don't know if it's an 8, I don't know, but it'll be down below in the description. Also it'll be across there, the name of it. You guys, this company reached out to me from Amazon and they emailed me, asked me would I like to do a hair review for them. So they sent me the hair. And y'all, by me having Amazon Prime, it kind of came within 2-3 days, so I got it pretty fast. Okay. So it comes with the little card on it. Also, it came with some caps. And I already did, like, laid my hair down, braided my hair back or whatever. So we can get this video started. Also, you guys, the lace is not like a lace wig, like a full wig with a bang. So you'll get the effect of it. I'm going to show the picture there, what it's supposed to look like. I think it's cute. I like it. So we're going to see what it looks like on me. Because, you know, them pictures be deceiving, okay? It comes with the net around it already, y'all. This is a beautiful color. Beautiful color. It got 2 combs in the front. And it has adjustable scraps in the back. Because, you know, your girl has a peanut head and needed it as tight as she can get it. So, you guys, I'm unboxing it with y'all. So, I got to sit here and do the scraps because this is my first time opening it. Like, I just trusted them. I said trusting them. I just trusted them. So let's get into this hair review, y'all. I'm gonna do a voiceover with you guys because I done fell in love doing voiceovers, and why not? Also, before we even get into the voiceover, you guys, it also comes with a card. It got the color on the front, and I really can't understand what type of color they got on here, but I can't read it from my Amazon purchase. I have the ombre blonde, so I'm excited about that to see what it looks like. Also, the company name is XYBeauty off of Amazon. So as I stated, their link will be down below in the description, so check them out. So let's get into this hair review. Okay, ladies, so I'm puffing the hair out because it's so tightly curled. I want to make sure that I pick out as much curls as possible. I was trying to find my pick, but I cannot find it worth nothing. So my hands it is. Y'all, look how beautiful that color is. That is so freaking beautiful. And those curls, like, y'all, those curls look like my real hair, honestly. Like, those how my hair look when my hair is wet and I let it air dry. And I know how tight they can be, and these curls are really, really tight, ladies. But it's totally worth it. Like, look at it, it's so beautiful. Y'all, it did not have a smell. It's still bouncy. Only thing about it, the only con I have is it shedded just a little bit when I was pulling some of the curls out. But other than that, it's like wonderful. Have a nice bounce to it. Also, it wasn't so hard to put on my head due to it only have 2 combs in the back. All you have to do is pull the back down with those adjustable scraps. As I told you in the beginning, I do need adjustable scraps due to my head is very, very little. And you guys, look at it. Like, even right now, it's not even fixed and it looked really, really good. So I'm about to continue to run my hands through it just to get those curls untightened, because y'all, those are some tight A curls. I'm trying to stop cussing so much, but y'all, those curls are really, really tight, but they're beautiful. Like, y'all, look at it. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm just in heaven. So y'all, you see some of it have little long pieces in the back of it, only because I've been pulling some of the curls out. So since I've been pulling some of the curls, I'm continuing just to pull it out to give it more shape, give it more natural. because y'all, those curls are really, really tight. Y'all, this company has some really great hair. I'm not saying it just because they sent it to me, but y'all, honestly, like, it's some great hair. While I'm going through it trying to see what I'm gonna do to my hair, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all some of the pros. I love the color. I love the style of it, you guys. I never thought I look cute with this type of hairstyle and color due to my normal hair is black, but the curls are not so deep and full. And this is really, really full and deep, and I'm really enjoying it, honestly. So I'm about to go through it even more, y'all, and just get those curls from being so tight. I'm gonna also cut it as well, y'all, because it needs some shaping. It needs some good shaping. And y'all, the camera did die, so I did cut some of it off of camera. As you can tell, look a little bit different and more pulled out. But I'm gonna continue to cut it since the camera is up again, because y'all, I be forgetting to charge that battery. Anywho, I'm just cutting it downward, y'all. I'm not good at hair, so please do not roast me in the comments telling me she's cutting her hair wrong. I basically cut it the best of my ability, and I do cut it as a downward type of way, only because it makes it easier for me to cut it. But y'all, this hair was so simple to cut, to style it, to pull the curls out of it. I didn't get no, stringly ends. Like, it's just beautiful, y'all. Like, I honestly believe that this was some great quality synthetic hair. And y'all, can you believe it's synthetic? Like, I really cannot believe it's synthetic. Now I'm feeling myself, y'all. Like, I'm in the point, now I'm feeling like Foxy Brown. Feel like I need to put some go-go boots on. I feel like it's time to go disco. I'm gonna go and do a 360 for you guys so y'all can see the front. You can see the left side. You can see the right side. And I'm gonna also do a 360 so you can see how the back is looking. Y'all, those curls are giving life. Excuse all the back fat, y'all, because you know your girl is fat. But this is basically the end of my hair review. And you see me dancing? Let's get into the review at the end. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with the review, and I kind of told you what I love about it, what I didn't like about it, whatever. But I'm still gonna talk to y'all. Y'all, I'm loving this hair. I feel like Foxy Brown. Like, y'all, I really was scared about the curls, the color, and I just really feeling it. Like, I really don't, this remind me so much of my natural hair. Like, the curls, like, I'm feeling it. I feel like I did great. I don't know. I might cut some more off. Like, but I like the poofy look of it, though. Like, I'm really feeling the poofy look. So I feel like I shaped it as good as I could. I really feel like I shaped it really good to match my face. And I made sure my little bangs was, not too long, not, just right. But I might sit here and just shape it a little bit more. If so, you guys, check out my Instagram. The link is down below as well. Check out my Instagram, check out my Snapchat, because we'll show you the aftermath if I recut it again. So it might look a little different on Instagram, but follow your girl, okay? Also, it's right there. My Instagram is right there. Follow me. Stop being stingy and follow me. Add me. Shit, I add back sometimes. Shit. But y'all, I'm enjoying this right now, y'all. I feel like Foxy Brown. Like, I feel like a bad bitch. Like, I gave y'all the whole 360 of this wig, like, and it was so simple to, like, put on. So why not purchase this wig, y'all? Told you the link down below. Get this wig, and it come in all colors, you guys. Let me let y'all know all the colors that come in, so y'all don't think I'm bullshitting y'all, okay? Let me show y'all all the colors, because y'all, and it was affordable. I do believe this wig is $23.99, so $24, still affordable wig, you feel me? Because it's affordable wig Wednesday, okay? But really, I only do affordable wig Wednesdays when I purchase it, but it's still affordable, okay? So, a nice affordable wig, you guys, and I'm loving it. It comes in ombre blonde, that's what I have now, black, gray, ombre brown, and wine red. So, you're interested in this wig, y'all, look at the curls. It's the curls for me. Like, it's the curl. Y'all see my new lashes? I'm trying a new vendor because your girl's trying to do some things. But anywho, it's the curl. Look at the curls. Like, look at the curls. I'm feeling these curls, y'all. So if you want to purchase this wig, y'all, I'm not getting paid for y'all to shop. So I just want y'all to shop to be cute and affordable on the badge. I said, I cannot talk. Y'all, I'm not getting paid for this review, so don't think I'm just making up anything. I'm just being honest, y'all. They sent me the wig to review. And they're not paying me, they just sent it. So you know your girl gonna be honest and tell the truth. Okay? Like, I don't care if I bought it with my money, their money, whoever. I'm gonna tell you the truth. And I really believe this was a good purchase that they sent me, because I actually like these type of curls, but I feel like everyone can fix it their own. I might style it, probably put in some pigtails, pull it up. I got some ideas for this hair, y'all, and I'm loving it. But you guys, this is basically the end of this video. If you have watched to the end and you still have not subscribed to the family, join the Lena Babe, subscribe to the channel, because we lit over here, okay? Like this video up, you guys, and click that bell. It'll notify you when I'm posting new freaking videos, because y'all be slacking. Y'all be slacking. So you guys, it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog. Peace.